Hello everyone, my name is Pooja and I'm here for Shikha Dua's 3 days makeup workshop. I'm one of the dedicated student of her because I never miss a chance to enroll myself in her workshop, and this is basically my 2021 resolution. So in Shikha Dua's class, it's not only about the 3 days classes, it's about for a whole I can tell you that it can change your whole perception about makeup, because she tells you about the technique, the products and the knowledge of good tools and everything, which I don't think so on this platform anybody else can tell you. And know her from past 5 years, she's not only a makeup artist, she's a wonderful person. I call her my farishta because she tells you about the skincare regime, which is very important, which nobody going to tell you.